Okay.
It's good. It's ghetto video. It looks hilarious.
How do I say it? Like,
In a warm and cozy.
in a warm cozy.
Wait. Do it again.
You know, warm and cozy.
No, you have to make it sound soundable. Like.
Now at the same time when I go like that, say, well here's your solution. Here's your solution. Okay. It would be like, well, here's your solution. Okay. What did I say?
There's my brother, and there's my sister, and there's my other brother, and my other brother, and my other brother, and there's Talia.
Do you know that really voice that goes really fast?
I can't do that. We're not responsible for any medical.
Call now to get your. That's double the amount. Stop laughing.
You can't even do your comfortable position.
Ow.
So how do you feel about that? Oh my gosh, I love the Lungi.
I love the Lungi.